I just recorded the train. I barely had time to record that thing because I just jumped out of the train, or jumped out of the car, and then I recorded it. And I told my dad, what if we catch the train on its tail? And my dad said, I doubt it, and we just caught up to it. Barely. You just see the end. We may see the crossings be going up right now. No? Oh, there it is, there it is. There it is now. No way we're going to catch up to him.
Sure there's another one coming, so kill.
It can't be right behind him.
No, we are. We're right behind him.
Yeah, I mean like another train.
No, but you never know.
Yeah. That would be illegal.
Probably.
They're just trying to catch up to him.
Yeah, we lost him after this.
Here he goes. Those crossings go up and down fast.
Yeah, they do.
And that's where we waited and chased it. We could have just
Norfolk Southern, milepost 315.4, no defects.
there.
Yep.
We just heard someone talking on the radio. Talking about a Norfolk Southern. And it was right there.
One of their automated switch detectors.
Yeah.
Making sure the track's not broken.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 315.4, no defects.
It's just repeating. I bet it was his the yardmaster talking to him.
It's
Something like
it's an automatic. They have devices hooked up to the tracks, so if like the bridge washed out, the tracks broke, then it would get on and say milepost 135 defect.
So, I can hear him on the tracks. I can hear the tracks going. Yeah. Well, bye guys.